Welcome to the another video of Charismatic Planet. The Canadian jay, also known as the grey jay, camp robber or whiskey jack, is a passerine bird of the family Corvidae. It is found in the boreal forest of North America, north to the tree line and in the Rocky Mountains, subalpine zone south to the New Mexico and Arizona. A fairly large songbird, the Canadian jay has pale grey underparts, darker grey upperparts, and a grey-white head with a darker grey nape. Grey jays are omnivores and scavengers. They hunt such prey as arthropods, small mammals including rodents and the nestling birds. They may also opportunistically hunt young amphibians such as the western coarse frog and the long-toed salamanders. Carrion fungi fruits such as chokecherry and seeds are also eaten. Grey jays have incredibly thick fluffy plumage that helps them during cold months. The birds puff up their feathers and cover their legs, feet and even nostrils. Unlike other songbirds, grey jays are able to carry food with their feet. Grey jays can mimic other birds, especially predators such as red-tailed hawks, broad-winged hawks and merlins. Canadian jays live year-round on the permanent territories in the coniferous forests, surviving in winter months on foods cached throughout their territory in warmer periods. The birds form monogamous mating pairs, with pairs accompanied on their territories by a third juvenile from the previous season. Grey jays adapt to human activity in their territories and are known to approach humans for food, inspiring a list of colloquial names including lumberjack, camp robber, and Venetian hawk. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, the Canadian jay, are least concerned species. However, population in southern range may be affected adversely by global warming. Grey jays are social and often seen in small family groups that consist of 2 to 4 birds. They are active during the day, spending time flying around their territory, hopping or walking on the ground in search of prey, caching food, perching and sunbathing. Grey jays often hunt nestling birds, which they take more often from nests in trees rather than on the ground. They find nestling by moving from perch to perch and scanning their surroundings. When feeding, grey jays wrench, twist and tug food apart, unlike other jays such as the blue jay, which grabs and hammer their foods. They also commonly carry large food items to nearby trees to eat or process for storage, possibly as a defense against large scavengers. To communicate with each other, grey jays are a whistled coo and various clicks and chuckles. When predators are spotted, the birds produce a series of harsh clicks to signal a threat on the ground or a series of repeated whistles to indicate a predator in the air. Grey jays are monogamous. Pairs remain together for life unless one of the partner dies. Breeding takes place during March and April. Grey jays exhibit cooperative breeding, and during the nest building periods, pairs are accompanied by 1 or 2 juvenile birds. Grey jays build their nest and lay eggs in March or even February when snow is deep in the boreal forest. Males choose a nest site in a mature conifer tree and take a lead role in construction. Cup-shaped nests are constructed with brittle dead twigs pulled off from trees as well as bark strips and lichens. The clutch consists of 2 to 5 light green-gray eggs with darker spots. Incubation is performed only by the female and lasts an average of 18 to 20 days. The female is fed on the nest by her partner. She rarely moves from the nest during incubation and for several days after hatching. They leave the nest between 22 to 24 days after hatching and reach full adult measurement after 55 to 65 days. At this time, they battle among themselves until the dominant juvenile forces its sibling to leave the natal area to join an unrelated pair who fail to breed. Grey jays become reproductively mature at 2 years of age. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.